picked her up.
She's playing. Girls from that team all over.
Yep. Get it, Emma. They collect each other. Get it, Emma.
That is.
Get it.
Get it, Abby.
Bella, don't look at it.
Get it, Emma.
Good cross.
Get out of there.
Oh, come on,
Hey, she's got to develop those skills, boy.
Trust me, we've all seen you play, Justin.
Yeah, your biggest thing at this time was slide kicking.
Oh, that was back then.
Yeah, back then.
No, you're not going anywhere.
Yes, that was
Their
back
game will be over. You're gonna
I had to keep the ball down.
Don't worry, one day she'll have to watch you. I don't know what she's saying to your daughter, but
He said move. He said you're too close.
no.
Bella, other way, Bella.
Good job, good job.
Get it,
Go to the goal. Kick it in.
Good try, Belle. Way to do a big giant loop around the field.
She did that on purpose.
I know, it's perfect.
Because she knows that everyone else is playing magnet ball. So she's like, if I go in the open,
Kick it hard, Emma.
Bella, watch the ball. When she kicks it, you run up and kick it in.
need to get wide then. She's not. You don't want to kick it in the
Emma,
middle.
just kick the ball.
There we go.
Big kick, Emma.
She doesn't know what you're saying.
Just kick the ball. Emma, now you get on the field.
Lily, push the play.
Go.
Wait, he kicked it in the middle. They can yell at him.
Abby.
Ooh. You all right, Abby? Good job, Abby. Oh. Get it, Abby.
Nope, couldn't stop.
Nice way to listen to the whistle. Holy cow.
You heard Abby?
No, you did.
They get a Gatorade. Get me something to I know. All right.
Give me
I'm just going to go talk to the ref.
Come on, Belle, big kick. Let's
Emma,
go.
right here, number 3. Get it, get it.
Nice try, Clarissa.
Gatorade,
Yeah.
get me a Coke. I was thinking Daddy if you want something.
I was telling you to get in the green.
That's Lily.
I want a cheeseburger and a Coke.
Cheeseburger.
And you guys get with
Bella,
I'll have
kick
whatever.
it to the outside. Hey,
I'll have whatever she's having.
Bella, kick it to the outside.
They're already hard enough just remembering one person's order.
Kick it to Lily. Not Abby, Lily.
Let's go get ring pop.
The other Abby.
There you go.
Let's go.
Why did
Mommy, I'll be back. I'm gonna get ring pop.
what exactly did he call them?
Trip.
Just over himself.
No, he called the trip on when he got up and tripped the other one, the girl. He was fine.
Will, get her a
I think
ring
it's called
pop.
covering the ball.
They're 50 cents. You better not get anything for $4. Come on, come on. Go! Go! Come on, get it!
Yeah.
Shoot it when you're open.
Abby's like, I didn't touch. I didn't touch.
Girls, slide.
Mark, do we have to play them anymore?
Yeah, one more time I believe.
Do we? One more time?
Nice.
It's only once. The U8 only plays one team one other time.
Get it, get it, get it.
After 4 hours, I play Rick Hyman.
Kick it out, Abby! Not across the middle.
I'm pretty
pretty sure I played Rick Hyman twice.
This isn't Rick. This is Steve King.
I know, but I'm saying there's four that I played.
Get it!
One time.
Go Bella to the goal! Shoot it! Oh, good try, Bill.
Good job. Nice pass. Good play, ladies. Good job.
Bella, good try, Abby.
Yeah.
All right, green goal kick. Somebody mark up.
Mark up, guys.
Ooh.
Right there. Was that ours?
I'm not gonna let it hit me in the head. Although, you know, how many times? That's Luke. Let's go, guys! Come on! Get it, Bell! Get it, Bell! Run! Come on, Max! Keep going forward! Go forward to the goal, Max!
Go, go, go.
Go, Bella! Cut it! There you... Oh!
Oh.
Stop. Everybody down. Everybody down.
Take a knee.
Everybody down.
You alright, Bell? Hey, Bella. Just relax. Just relax. She sees him crying, so she's upset. Steve, check Bella. Yeah, that was a good solid hit.